Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl no, stop. Hey queens, welcome back to the baddest palace. It's your girl Julie and I'm back again with another video. You know what it is, you know what it is, you know what it is, you know how it is, you know what I'm saying. Yeah. Today I'm gonna be showing you my room. And if you saw my room transformation, you know it was hectic, you know it was a lot. And I'm just happy that we're finally done. As you can see in the back, you can see my mirror, you can see my plant, you can see my clothing rack. So let's get right into it. Okay. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe so you can be a part of the queens, the baddest queens on this platform. And yeah, okay, let me stop yapping.
Yappa, 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 yappa. Shut it, place.
Let's get right into it. Boop. As you walk in, you see these are the first things that you see. These two plants were $100 from Hobby Lobby. And then we're going to the nightstand where it has my lamp from Amazon. I also got one over there, as you can see. This is so beautiful to me, and you can see the details on the lamp. This lamp is so gorgeous to me, like but this lamp also is able to charge my phone in the night, so I won't have to move my phone all the way across, not having my phone next to me. And then we have the Prada book and the Chanel book from Amazon as well. I was thinking about returning the Prada book because it's so small, and I feel like, I mean, I don't think it throws it off, but it's just like so small. But I decided not to because I'm planning on reading it. And this book too. But it's so pretty. Take a look at that. Yes. We have our first black drawer nightstand, which really stressed my life because I had to build it by myself. But you know, we got it. It's all black from Walmart with the other one over there. Oh yeah, also this these two satin pillowcases are from Amazon as well. They're like a champagne gold, but let's just move on to the next one. So right here, I didn't put any book under my lamp, as you can see. As I said before, this flower is from Hobby Lobby and I ordered it online. This is my lamp from Amazon. They came in a set of 2, 1 pack. And here's my LED light thing. Turns on. I'm gonna show you guys in the night so you can see it very well, like how it's gonna light up and make my room look. And this is the other what's it called, nightstand from Walmart. It came in a set of 2, as I said before. I think I said it before, but it came in a set of 2 from Walmart. And then this is my favorite part, guys. This Bible scripture that I got from Amazon. It says, I could do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. Like per. I already feel like getting to work, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And here, right here, I'm sorry. Mind the chair. I use a chair so I could be watching movies in the night, because I didn't want to get a television, because I was just like, where am I gonna put it? It just doesn't, I just don't see a television in my room. So that's what I use to put up my computer. So like if I want to watch a movie before I go to sleep, I'm just gonna put it on there, you know what I'm saying? Yours. This is a a clothing rank from Amazon. It is quite sturdy. I didn't put anything on it yet, but it's looking quite sturdy. They made me build the rack by myself. It didn't come this way. I had to build it that way. But as for the instructions, it's pretty straightforward. I understood the assignment very well, as you could see. And yeah, as you can see, I've been doing a lot of handy dandy stuff in my room. I built all of it. I mean, not all of it. I built the nightstands in the back right there. But other than that, here is the mirror. This is a whole different mirror that you saw in my other video, the room transformation video. It's a whole different one, as you can see, because it's bigger, taller, you know what I'm saying, like yours. But yeah, this is how it looks. And then we have the other plant from Hobby Lobby, Boom Baga Boom. And then right here, I just cleared up this place, put my computers right there, my bags, shoe boxes, whoop-de-whoop, you know. I'm planning on getting like wig heads, so my wigs, like, I know you can see that's I'm so sorry, like, embarrassing, but that's my wigs over there. I'm gonna need to get a couple wig heads soon. But yeah, that's that's what my room looks like. Comment down below if you like my room, and if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, oh, what are you doing? It's like I'm playing, but all you have to do is subscribe, and you're a member of the Baddest Palace immediately. Anyway, yeah, so that's the end of my room tour. It's really not much, but I like the way it looks. That is the end of my room tour. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you very, very soon. Ta-ta.
Fendi and Adana, Karen, they be sharing all their money, got me wearing fly. Girl, but I